Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for showing up today. So on today's video, you guys asked for a cranberry bronze, gold makeup look for Thanksgiving. So girl, I did my best to make it affordable as well. And you know, I think I used a little bit some stuff that are not affordable. I think just one product, but I did my best. So I hope you guys love it. I will love to know, how are you guys gonna spend Thanksgiving this time? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know. I think we're gonna usually do the same thing. We're gonna go to my family and Carlos' side of his family. So we're gonna be doing that. I seriously, to be honest with you guys, I don't feel like doing anything. I don't this year. I don't feel like doing Christmas, Thanksgiving, and nothing. So, you know, we just gotta do it for the little ones. Even though my little ones don't even care about it. They don't even care. They only care about Christmas, you know? So let me know what you guys are going to be doing in the comments. I wanna know all the details. Let me know also what you guys will be making for Thanksgiving. I don't like turkey. I don't like freaking turkey. I'd rather eat mashed potatoes and green beans. I don't like turkey. I don't. So without further ado, if you guys want to create this look for Thanksgiving looking really glam and snatch, then make sure you guys grab your palettes, something that has worms, something that has cranberry in it, and let's jump right into this look. This is how I look right now. Just got out the shower. I swear, I love hot showers. I feel like it just lifts my spirits up. So I'm gonna be spraying a little bit of the Skin Beneficial Mist Mood Enhancer by Derma E. I mean, I'm like almost out of it, but I just love the way that it smells. So I don't know if it really works, but it's a mood enhancer. So you can spray this on your face too, which is good. And it smells like gum. And Derma E, it's really clean beauty. It doesn't have any GMO. It's vegan, none of the bad things. So I recommend. I have like this one, you guys, which is the Uplift, and then I have the Create. I'm trying to be creative right now. So oh, my tooth, girls. So I'm gonna spray that one. It smells like peppermint. This one smells like that red cinnamon gum. And I have another one somewhere else for sleep, but I don't know. Where is it at? So I'm gonna start out with moisturizing my face because, like I told you guys, I just got out the shower, so I feel like a prune, really dry. So I'm gonna be using this Mana Beauty Simplifying Lip Bliss. Yes, it's a moisturizing balm, and I just freaking love when my lips look nice and voluptuous, glossy. Even though I'm testing this one out, but my go-to one has been the Plumping Serum by Hard Candy. This one has been my go-to. I love the way that makes my lips look like glass. Seriously, like glass. All right, so enough about that. I'm gonna moisturize my skin, and for that I'm gonna be using the Rose Deep Hydration Oil-Infused Serum, which will help to balance, hydrate, and nourish, and does work. I try not to use it that much because it's expensive. So just to moisturize my skin, because girl, I've been so dry. Because like I told you guys on Instagram, I haven't been feeling good. My extra wisdom tooth on this side, it's coming out. I swear, I am developing so freaking late. I am 34. All right, so now moving to brows, I'm gonna be using this 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. I hope you guys like this video, and let me know down below, because I love watching videos. Oh my god, look at this mirror, so ugly and so old. This is like 2015. I added glitter because I was doing like something for the Next Face Awards, and I added glitter and it looks so ugly. I had to fix it or buy me a new one. So put this on the brows, and then with my fingers so they can stay in place. You see how they stay? But I don't want them like that. I want them like you can see each individual hair. I'm gonna use this Precisely My Brow Pencil in color number 5. What the heck? I thought I was 4. It's okay. So I'm just going to outline the brow at the bottom. Sorry if you guys hear little man in the background. They're on break, and he's playing Fortnite. Oh my god, am I the only one that cannot talk when you're doing your brows? But I'm trying to, so I can talk to you guys. Do you guys have little ones? Let me know how old are they and how are you guys keeping them busy? My kids, okay, right now I'm just gonna fill them in. My kids are just like me, like they rather be at home, but I do love to see the sun. I do love to go outside and, you know, walk around at the park and stuff like that. They don't. They just want to be inside. I'm like, you guys need the sun. Like, you guys need to go out. Oops. Let me do it with a different brush because I'm everything. So yeah, they love to stay home. He's always playing games, or he's playing with his toys, or he's coloring and stuff like that. My daughter is always reading. She's like the little Matilda. I hate reading. I think I seriously, so sad to say, but I think she has read more books in my life. If a book don't have a picture, I don't want to read it. I don't. She seriously reads on her phone, which I tell her, like, let me get you some books, but she's like, these stories are made from other people about what's that called, Harry Potter. I used to love Harry Potter. She's like, they're made of them, so I cannot buy the book. Like black and white. Like, she's always laughing, and it's just every time I hear her laugh, it just reminds me of, you know, how Matilda used to read. I'm like, oh, she probably knows bigger words than me, which I don't know. So I'm blending that, and then I'm gonna be grabbing the Foolproof brow powder in number 5 as well. This brush from Benefit, girls, this is so good. Sorry, it's not from Benefit. I mean, Benefit has one too, but this one is the one from It Cosmetics. But Benefit also has one just like this, and they are so freaking good. So I'm just gonna grab the lighter shade and just apply that all over the brow. All right, so I went ahead and did the other brow behind the camera. I'm gonna be cleaning them with this It Cosmetics Medium Tan Concealer. Now, moving on to the eyeshadows, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild 40th palette. I love this palette. It's so freaking big, and if you're just starting out, girl, get you this palette because you have your neutrals, your colors, your glitters, you know, everything. So I try to clean it for you guys, but it's okay. You guys love me either way. So I'm going to be starting out with, I just wanted like a cranberry. That was most of the votes on Instagram, like a cranberry brown tone, glowy. Girl, look, I'm gonna be starting out with this color right here. And also, don't worry, on Instagram I'm gonna have a I'm gonna have a shot like of every shadow that I'm applying, a picture tutorial. That's what I'm saying. Didn't set my lids or anything. I'm just going to apply the eyeshadow over that concealer, and I'm going to apply this on the crease, bringing it in and then bringing it outwards. That's gonna be my little guideline. You guys know that I love winging my shadows because my eyes, I feel like they're droopy. They're droopy on this side, so this helps it go. With the same brush, I'm just gonna clean it with this Vera Mona sponge, so it really does help. Now I'm gonna be adding this brown shade a little bit under, and then I'm gonna apply it right here at the outer edge of the eye. Winging it. So now I'm going to be using the concealer again by It Cosmetics and just clean up the inner corner. Now with a little flat brush, I'm going to be adding this gold shade. Grabbing whatever I have left on my brush with that brown shade, I'm going to apply it right here, so it can blend much better, and you can tell that ugly line right there that I started with. With a smaller pencil brush, this one is by Morphe, which is the M508, I'm going to be applying the burgundy and then the brown at the bottom. So starting with the burgundy. With another smaller brush, I already added some water in this one. I'm going to be grabbing this iridescent white shadow and applying it on tear dot. This one is like really chunky. So I went ahead and did the other eye. Now I'll be adding this eyeliner. This one is by Revlon, their Color Stay Sharp line. How precise is that? So I'm going to do, I guess you call this a small wing, I don't know. So pray for me. I can't breathe in this process. Alright, so now moving on to mascara, I'm going to be using this Dare to Extend Ultimate by Hard Candy mascara. It's so good. I love it more for my bottom lashes because it just makes them come out. I'm going in with this Revlon So Fierce Vinyl Black eyeliner on my top waterline. So for my bottom waterline, I'm going to be using this Motives Angel White. Moving to the lashes, I'm going to be using this TooFaced Sex Kitten lashes. They are so pretty. They are wispy at the end, so that's why I'm using them. And then through the inner corners are really thin. All right, so now moving onto my face before my camera dies. So I didn't apply any mascara at the bottom because I'm gonna apply foundation and I want that to be clean. I'm gonna be applying this organic Witch Hazel facial toner. When I'm laying down, I see it in my counter. I'm like, that's my witch spray. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna spray this. Oh, I love this stuff. Everything that SKYOrganic has is so good, you guys, and so affordable. You guys can find it at Walmart too, so I love it. So now I'm going to be applying this Pore De-Activator Pore Minimizing Mattifying Primer. I want this look to be more on the matte side. Apply it in my areas where I feel like I have more pores or I get more shiny, which is my forehead, my 5 forehead. Girls, I think I have like a big forehead. Now I'm going to be using the CoverGirl TruBlend Undercover concealer, and this one is in shade Classic Beige. So like I told you guys, I've been doing this. So I started with concealer everywhere. You don't have to do this, but I'm just going extra today. Hopefully I get to go somewhere. I want to go to buy some, I need to go buy stuff for Thanksgiving first. And then I'm going to go buy some outfits for us. So I'm gonna blend that out using this brush by Fit Glow Beauty. It's like a double-ended brush. I freaking love this brush because the smaller side I can get to like the corner right here. One thing about this concealer, you do have to work fast because it tends to dry quick. And then contour. This one is the honey one. It's the yellow one. All right, so all I did was just add mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'm still kind of baking. So I'm going to be adding this Hard Candy Camouflage Full Coverage Foundation, which is says a 16-hour wear. Apply it just right here where I didn't use concealer on my neck because, you know, we want to look really nice for the living room. You know, the living room deserves a little glam. Oh, itchy. All right, now I'm just going to blend everything with this brush, and this one is from El Maquillaje 100 number brush. Don't forget to bring it up to your ear, chest. Even though that mine gets freaking red every time I mess with my chest for any reason. Wherever I didn't add that concealer, I'm just applying. I look dark. What the hell? There you go. I was going to cream contour, but I'm just going to apply some powder. Oh my god, my lips look so crusty, you guys. I'm so sorry. But I'm gonna be using this matte bronze NYX powder, and this one is in color For my lip liner, I am using Revlon Color Stay Longwear Lip Liner in chocolate, and the gorgeous lipstick is also by Revlon in After Hours, which they are both matte, so they're so creamy and so pigmented. So there you guys have the final look. I hope you guys love it. I did my best to create something that you guys asked. So to be honest, I probably won't wear this lip. I just probably will wear a nude lip. Maybe I do this eyes for Thanksgiving. I'm not sure yet. I'm not even in the mood. Am I the only one that's not in the mood? I am not in the mood. There's so much things going on that I'm not in the mood for Thanksgiving. I'm not even for Christmas, but you know, we gotta try. So thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful one with your close friends or family. Stay safe, and I will leave you guys some video suggestions right here so you guys can keep on binge watching me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. Also give this video a big thumbs up. It really means so much to me. Comment down below because the YouTube algorithm, girl, killed me. So I am trying to just, you know, go along with the flow. So I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.